Just in Case is a kit containing tangible application able to solve most of the problems smartphone users find in their everyday life. An essential, pure, and certainly modern design cared for down to the last detail for a product that would never get unnoticed. We believe that the Just In Case application kit is an experience defined by users and the way they get in touch with their devices. We carefully study all the new behaviors technology created in the past 10 years, coming out with this kit that can finally help smartphone-addicted people. The idea of creating what we identify as tangible applications started looking at how users constantly find new ways to customize their devices, and how the case is now becoming a powerful communication tool. As well as the application that we will soon analyze, the Just In Case kit also includes the last version of iPhone, called iPhone 6W, where W stands for its material, wood, a material that makes the device bio, organic, and light as it has never been before. It also contains some cool stickers to customize your device and express your desire of technology, and a little guide that explains you how the application works and what's the idea behind it. But the most relevant part of that kit are without any doubt the applications. We base each design starting from a simple question that opens up several scenarios. What if? So starting with the first application, we ask ourselves, what if users could safely walk around the city having their eyes completely focused on their smartphone screen? We came up with a solution, and this solution is called iCrash. Just plug the iCrash application on your device and using a 130cm stick, you could easily look like a blind person. Your stick would have a certain moving area defined by the app, and the people around the city will also take much more care of you because of your blind look.
I was really annoyed by raising my head up every second. iCrash definitely revolutionized the way of moving. Now I can walk around even without looking where I'm putting my feet and upload 2 more pictures per minute on my Instagram account whilst I walk.
After solving this problem, we had the feeling to get people much more closer. That's why we wonder, what if we facilitate the approach between a girl or a boy, avoiding the silence moments where people usually grab their phone when they don't know what to say. It's with this purpose that we develop the iApproach application. You simply have to plug the application on your smartphone and approach who you like without any embarrassment. Now, if you don't know what to say, iApproach will easily help you finding the right question to ask, keeping the conversation alive for at least 1 hour.
Approaching girls had never been so easy. I was constantly blocked after asking a few questions, but the variety of topics and questions iApproach offered me makes me a real playboy.
During our design process, we also thought about the new growing technology generation, wondering what if we create an application able to give children a 3-dimensional way of playing. That's why we came out with iBuild, an application that moves out from the 2-dimensional boring experience normal smartphone gives to get children a complete 3D experience. It's also called Puzzle, and it seems to be something completely new and revolutionary for this generation.
Finally, I can play with my iPhone in a 3D way. I was waiting for this development since I had my first smartphone at 4 years old. I was sure this day would arrive, and I'm proud to be the first generation experiencing it.
Another point we analyzed was about GPS and battery death. We wonder, what if there would be an application able to help you going back home if you deeply follow the GPS reaching your destination, and this combination your iPhone battery died. iFollow can finally solve this problem. This high-technology object to plug on your smartphone would help you finding the way home, spreading seeds on the ground while you're walking to your destination, so you can easily follow them on your way back home if your iPhone battery died.
It's amazing. I don't even have to look where I'm going anymore. And I can completely focus on my smartphone screen and neither to be worried of my battery life. I can use it all night long when I'm with my friends and still find a way to go back home. iFollow is definitely one of the most useful applications I ever installed.
Last but not least is an application that focuses on the hip movement of selfies. We dream about an application that could help people getting the best selfies ever, avoiding imprecise shots or ugly faces. That's why we developed IMIN. You just have to choose your favorite picture, attach it to the character we provide on the kit, choose the outfit, and finally shot appropriate selfies, catching the right angle and having a cool face at the same time.
I'm In totally changed my way to take selfies. I save time, I get cooler pictures, and I even got 100 more followers on my Instagram account. Thank you so much, I'm In.
That's basically what Just In Case is, a vivid realization of a new smartphone experience all in one box.